Okay guys, so let's talk about no annual fee for life credit cards. And before I start this vlog, I want to start off with how do you get to know how or paano mo malaman na yung credit card mo is safe and secure? Kasi this will be another unboxing of a credit card. What I want to show here, guys, is when you receive your credit card, diba? Alam mo, may pinagsasign naman kayong mga papeles dyan. Yes, binibigyan rin kayo ng forms or ini-inform rin kayo ng bangko na parating na yung mga credit card mo. One thing that I love about banks who get really secure delivery personnels or even companies to deliver their credit cards are the one that uses plastic like this. Kasi alam mo talagang sobrang selyado to, hindi siya pwedeng matamper. Then, if you're going to look at it, diba, there's no way or no form na pwedeng parang ma-seal, ma-open, ma-reclose, or whatever man siya. That's why I want to show na ganito yung mga signs na dapat hopefully all of the banks follow their footsteps as well. As we open the credit card then later, I want to also show some tips na i-make sure natin na dapat selyado yung credit card mo. If there is something funny, baka medyo parang nakita mo overextended ba yung plastic, punit, putol, may maling nakabuka, nakauka, I would recommend you guys to ask your bank to have it recarded or palitan. Diba? I don't recommend you to continue getting or using that credit card or even activate that credit card kasi hindi natin alam. There's so many scams out there. There's so many modus out there na parang yung mga delivery, kakonsyaba na nila. I don't wanna blame naman that the banks for it because it's the partner's fault rin naman talaga. The partners did not do due diligence sa mga riders nila. But alam mo naman na parang I don't wanna say na parang kasalanan rin nila. Alam mo naman, mahirap ang buhay. Sometimes, to be honest, there are people who would take advantage of it. Yes. Is it right? No. But it just happens. Kaya for me, I just help educate. Basta kung feeling mo mali siya, feeling mo may gumalaw ng credit card mo yan, papalitan natin yan. Inform the bank right away. Anyways, without further ado, I will be opening this credit card. So this one is a credit card that I requested because no annual fee for life tong credit card na to. And these are the cards that works for me. And parang when it comes to some of the banks, diba? If, for example, hirap na hirap ka talaga magpa-waive ng annual fee na yan, eh hindi mo naman talaga ginagamit kasi yung credit card na yan, then why not just get a credit card from them na no annual fee for life? Yes, kasama ka pa rin sa mga, most likely, mga promos nila, meron pa rin naman. And then, if ever you have that credit card, may experience mo pa rin naman yung mga promos that they have, the mga perks that they have. Mas konti lang yung mga perks, definitely, for a no annual fee for life credit card. This credit card will not be earning points as well. But for now, it is a good beginner card. So if ever you're out there, ito yung credit card mo, there's nothing wrong with it. If it's your starter credit card, if it's your beginner credit card, there's nothing wrong. I'm telling it to you as early as now. So without further ado, let us unbox this credit card. So this one is delivered by Meserve. Diba? Naka-seal siya, very clear, and makikita nyo talagang bubuksan ko siya ng isa-isa. Ako talaga nag-open ito. First time ko siya. First time rin niyang mahahawakan. First time ko rin mahahawakan ang kanyang envelope. And of course, this is a Metrobank credit card as you can see in the logo here. And at the back of it, it is the Metrobank M Free card. Your key to live or to a life without limits. Okay, sige. Now, medyo cute nga yung envelope niya dito eh. Kasi tingnan mo guys, pack, ma-open mo dito siya. Boom! O, diba? Experience a whole new level of freedom. Okay, totoo ba kaya yun? So, here are the perks. When you see it, when you open it, ang cute nga niya. So, there's no annual fee for life. There's 0% installment programs. A lot of banks does give that. So, parang, that's not really a perk. 1% add-on rate per month to convert your unused credit limit to cash. So, if ever you want to convert it to cash, 1% siya. Medyo mataas yan, day. So, some other credit cards offer it as low as how many 0.0 ilang percent lang siya na interest. Medyo mataas yan. But it is still lower compared to swiping it and then syempre ipa 3% interest mo dahil a credit card interest is 3% per month. Annually, it's 36%. At least ito, medyo annually 12% siya. But guys, use yung mga credit to cash very rarely, pag kailangan mo talaga. Hindi siya dapat ginagamit because wala kang pera o kulang yung pera mo. That means you're overspending. You're not working your budget well. So, yun yung kailangan ayusin natin. Now, Apparently, this envelope, ang cute, no? It's a sliding kasi ito yung credit card mo, ito yung letter mo. So, this is just really an envelope, o, di ba? Envelope lang siya. Cute naman, in fairness. At the back, you'll see, important, do not accept if torn, open, or tampered. Kaya nga sinasabi natin, anything here, basta hindi nga siya correct, do not accept. And then scan and download the Metrobank card app. So if ever, so you can activate it. So you need the app to activate your credit card. Sa harapan nito, definitely the window will just have your name and then your address. And then now, bubuksan na natin po ang ating credit card. So again guys, diba, when you look at it, dapat hindi siya buka, hindi siya nakauka, malinis po siya. Hindi po siya mukhang binuksan, pinunit, hindi siya mukhang binalik, diba? And then, this is where we're going to open our credit card now. Okay. And then, ready, set, okay. So, in front of this credit card, definitely, nandito po lahat ng mga details ko. I will just cover it, diba? So, I have my details on the here, on the left side niya, nandiyan yung address ko at saka yung name ko. And on the right side naman, nakasulat dito yung card details mo. So you're gonna see it here, nandiyan yung card details mo. Nakasulat po dito yung aking credit limit. And then the sub-limit for cash advance. So binigyan niya ako 50% of it. Statement date ko, nandito nakasulat. And then payment due date, 21 days after the statement date siya. Okay. Now, without further ado, we're going to click on it. So, this is how you will see it, and pagbuksan mo, live a life of perks and privileges, o diba? And then, download the new Metrobank app para makita mo daw lahat ng card activation, cash to go, scan money, can balance transfer pay bills, and then balance conversion as well. And then, syempre, dahan-dahanin ko pong bubuksan at kukunin na yung ating credit card. Okay. Ang ganda ng sticker niya kasi hindi malagkit, madaling tanggalin from the card in itself. Hindi siya yung tipong ibang bangko dyan na ang pangit-pangit sobrang sticker na pag pinatis mo yung sticker, ang daming tira. I'm telling BPI, ikaw yon. Okay, anyways, this is the Metrobank credit card, the Metrobank M-Free credit card. Now, lahat ng kanyang card is just embossed. Parang stamped on, printed on siya, hindi siya embossed, hindi siya debossed, whatever, wala. In front of it, you have your card number, your name, the expiry date, at saka yung membership since ko na date. And then sa likod, definitely, alam nyo naman yan, it will just be your CVV or CVC number. This is a MasterCard card from Metrobank. So pag nakita nyo, yun po siya. And then, this is how you're going to activate it. Siyempre, ilalagay ko po siya dito para makita nyo. Huwag nyo na po tingnan nyo aking kuko, guys. This is it. Ayan na po siya para makita nyo. Yes, yes, yes. Perfect. Okay. Now, I do have my own Metrobank app already. Pwede ko, without further ado, ito na po siya. I will be logging onto my Metrobank app. And then, gusto ko, dami yung pinapagawa. I will log in via Face ID kasi meron ako Face ID. Now, you can scan the code to already use the Metrobank app, but you can also activate the supplementary card via the Metrobank app as well. And then, if ever not, pwede rin naman nila i-activate manually yung kanilang card for supplementary cards. Okay. Now, without further ado, what we're going to do, eto na po siya. We will activate the card. So, when you see it here, nandito po siya, activate cards. Ay nako guys, so ang nangyari, anong kwenta nito? Tumawag na lang kayo sa hotline, mas mabilis pa i-activate kasi sa app ko, hindi naman siya nag-activate. So right now, kahit activated siya, ang problema ko naman, hindi naman siya lumalabas sa app ko. So yung app ko, wala ring. So in short guys, kailangan ko na naman, ayan, I can enroll. So what I'm going to do right now is let's try to enroll. So my accounts, and then enroll, and then I'll put in my card number, and then name on card, you have to put the name. Dapat guys ha, make sure parehas yung name nyo yan. Bawal kulang, bawal sobra, alam nyo na yan. Bawal ha. And then date of birth ko. Okay, and then ilagay na natin yung birth date mo. And then, okay. And then, lagay ko yung pangalan ng card na to. Kasi account alias. And then, click on enroll. And then, intayin lang yung OTP. Ayan, dumating na sa wakas sa Diyos. Okay. and then click on next, and then processing transactions. Sana ma-add. Ay, perfect na add na siya, guys. And then view account details, nandyan na siya finally. Oh, thank gosh. So guys, this is a Metrobank M-Free credit card. Ito na talaga siya. It's a basic credit card. It's nothing, no annual fee, no fees, no whatever. Wala siyang masyadong perks. Wala. It doesn't earn points, pero it's just a basic card. I got it because pina-downgrade ko yung mga cards ko na hindi ko naman ginagamit masyado, and I just want the Bistro Group na partner. So ito, you can experience it, diba? Other of the more premium cards niya, syempre mas maganda yung mga restaurant partners niya, pero I personally don't usually like to go to Chinese restaurants. So for me, it's fine. I don't need it naman talaga. But yes, if this is a beginner credit card, oo, beginner talaga siya. It doesn't necessarily mean na porket beginner credit card siya, you won't have, let's say, mga perks like discounts, nandyan yan. It also doesn't mean na porket beginner credit card siya, pangit yung credit limit mo. No, ha? It's like, maganda pa rin yung credit limit mo kasi nga it depends on you as a person. Pwede siyang mataas, pwede rin siyang mababa. But if it's your first credit card, learn how to use it first bago ka mag-apply for other credit cards. Yun yung usually recommended ko for that. So anyways, yun po yun. It's a quick vlog. So yun lang siya. It's an okay card. It's a basic card. Ganun lang siya. So beginners, walang problema naman siya. And that's the quick vlog. Bye guys.